Imagine cruising down the highway, wind in your hair, and suddenly, your car jerks violently as you press the accelerator. What could possibly be the cause? This scenario is not only jarring, but also a potential sign of more serious mechanical issues. Understanding why your car jerks when you accelerate is crucial to maintaining its health and ensuring your safety. A common cause for this unsettling experience is a failing spark plug. Spark plugs are essential for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine's combustion chamber. If they are worn out or fouled, they can't perform this crucial task efficiently. As a result, your car may misfire, causing it to jerk as you accelerate. Regularly inspecting and replacing spark plugs can mitigate this issue. Another surprising culprit could be contaminated fuel. Gasoline laced with impurities can clog injectors, disrupting the steady flow of fuel into the engine. This uneven distribution of fuel hampers the engine's performance, leading to those unexpected jolts. It's advisable to check your fuel filter and consider using fuel additives to clean your fuel system. Transmission problems also frequently cause jerking. The transmission is responsible for shifting gears, and any lag or delay in this process can result in your car jerking. Regular transmission maintenance and timely fluid changes can help prevent such issues, ensuring a smoother ride. A less common but equally troublesome cause can be a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor, MAF. This sensor measures the airflow entering the engine, and any inaccuracies can lead to improper fuel mixture ratios, causing the car to jerk. In summary, your car jerking when accelerating is a symptom of underlying issues such as faulty spark plugs, contaminated fuel, transmission woes, or a malfunctioning MAF sensor. Regular maintenance and timely inspections are key to diagnosing and resolving these problems efficiently. What unusual symptoms has your car exhibited, and how did you resolve them?